guys who work at Houston.
Well, that's what they look like. They look like you.
I get it. I get it.
That's the one that Al just got, right?
Oh,
No, I haven't made it over there.